fire service and trained volunteers. Now for rescue operations, we had a team of around 200 people. Water level has been in any of the subdivision in the past month. There were huge cloud outbursts. It is climate-wise regulatory floods. As far as the information goes, West Tripura, a small part of Teliamara also borders with kindly leave so that we can, today we have all the line departments. To Khawai district. So on behalf of district administration and
अभी तो हम लोग ने सब अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट से बात किए एंड फ्लड का सिचुएशन एंड उसका कैसा फ्यूचर हम लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं कि ऐसा हादसा ना हो एंड एवरी डिपार्टमेंट इन Khawai with our DM has been very very cooperative and I'm sure we'll work towards developing our region. And I've heard about all the problems and we'll all work together to bring up Khawai. And thank you for all your support. Thank you ma'am for all your support and your team. Thank you.
इसके बाद आपका कोई और प्रोग्राम है नेक्स्ट?
अभी अलग दूसरे डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में भी मैं सबको हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जाके वहाँ रिव्यू लूँगी एंड आई विल वर्क टूवर्ड्स विद ऑल द DMs. I have a good team here and I'm sure we'll all do well. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.